Good morning, everybody, and this is your Forex Day trade setups for today. So we have broken the structure we were looking at yesterday, and everything is pointing now to a stronger dollar, and that is translating into what's happening on the indexes as well. So everybody is starting to align in a direction. So for me at the moment, coming to the hour, there are two levels that I would like to see tested before even getting in on this. Quite simple. This one here is obviously not going to play out because we have a gap. Okay, so I would be looking for, what's that, 108, 800 for an opportunity to short, or alternatively this would be a much better bet, so I'd look for 108,977 for an opportunity to continue this short at the moment. But that is definitely looking like trend down. US dollar Japanese yen would obviously be the reverse. We didn't really come back to the structure we were looking at yesterday. I'm going to go straight to the daily, to the hour, sorry, and that is kind of the area that I would be looking for an opportunity to buy into this, and that is 145,951. Now, probably not going to happen, to be honest. And hindsight being a perfect science, there was definitely an opportunity here at the European Open. Missed that one completely. So there is the pin bar opportunity there. Came back to test it. Inside bar, but this inverse pin bar here, or hanging, not a hanging man, what do they call it? Let us know in the comments. They've got a name for this pin bar. Either a doji or a baby or something like that. Anyway, it's an inside bar as far as I'm concerned, and there's a confirmation that it worked out. So it was definitely a long opportunity there with a short there. So it's a 320 point stop loss, and that was definitely on the card. So if you're down on the 15-minute, you'll probably see better structure here. There is a gap, and lo and behold, there is some decent structure here as well, right over there. So I would be paying attention to 146, 241. If that gives way, then you're looking further down. But looking at the strength of this trend and looking at the oscillators, this is kind of what you're going to have. Close the gap, find some structure here, and then you're going to get going to the upside again. So definitely worth paying attention to that. Moving across to the pound, British pound, Japanese yen. Again, no real structure was adhered to. We are extremely overbought on all the yen pairs at the moment. But nevertheless, it is up until it's not, and there is our structure. So I would be paying attention to 186.021 and 185.810. Same drill here. You can drop down to the 15-minute, and you'll see the structure on the 15-minute, which is something which you need to be paying attention to. Look at the oscillators, they're grouping down. So yeah, I think more of the same, onwards and upwards, and it's up until it's not. Moving across to Euro British Pound, we got going to the downside yesterday, and I'll pick up those levels now, but there was structure right here, as I said yesterday, and if you pay attention to the 1 hour, you will see we were just hovering on this here, and then eventually pin bar, and you can just, well, leave that one there, just add this one in. Always put 3 levels in. You can see there's the pin bar off the next bit of structure. All of this inside bar, inside bar, inside bar, very rare pattern here. Inside bar, inside bar, inside bar, inside bar at a level like that, and then your confirmation bar. So this was definitely something you would have seen on the 15 as well, and got going. So you can see waiting for data. There's a pin bar. Okay, I'm in at the close of that bar, and I have a 62 point stop loss, and look what you'd be up with at the moment, 448 points. Anyway, so you are looking for a pullback onto structure, and unfortunately on the hour there's not much, but you will find some here on the 15-minute. Get back there. You can see there's structure, but then any one of these tails here would also offer, and look at what's happening with the oscillators here. So London breakout strategy to the downside would also work here, so pay attention to that. I think this is any pullback onto any of these levels is going to get you an opportunity to be long, to short again. Anyway, markets are starting to look like they're finding a direction. Probably not the direction everybody wants, but it is what it is. So hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.